Is America preparing to control artificial intelligence before it becomes too powerful? Because AI is growing so fast that even the US government is starting to worry. Artificial intelligence is no longer just about creating photos or videos. Today, AI can replace jobs, create fake videos, influence elections, launch cyber attacks, and even impact future military systems. That's why a major debate has started in the United States over AI regulations. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Meta, and Elon Musk AI projects are pushing technology forward at incredible speed. But the big question is, if AI becomes smarter than humans in certain areas, who will control it? The US government now wants stronger rules for powerful AI systems. Some reports suggested that officials want advanced AI models to go through safety testing before being released to the public, because many experts fear that uncontrolled AI could become dangerous in the future. Imagine this: an AI systems spreading fake news, creating fake speeches of world leaders, hacking banking systems, or leaking military secrets. The impact could be massive. That's why many American lawmakers are demanding AI safety laws. Some experts call AI the greatest innovation of this generation, while others believe it could become one of humanity's biggest risks. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned that uncontrolled AI may become dangerous for civilization. But each companies argue something different. They say that if America slow down AI development too much, countries like China could move ahead in the global AI race. And now AI is no longer just about technology. It has become part of a massive geopolitical competition between the United States and China. The country that dominates AI in the future could also dominate the economy, military power, businesses, and global influence. That's why America does not want to completely stop AI. It wants to control it. Some purposed AI regulations may require more transparency from AI companies, labels for AI generated content, and restrictions on dangerous AI systems. But there is one major problem. AI is evolving faster than governments can create laws. Technology keeps moving ahead while regulations struggle to catch up. Now people are asking, will AI regulations protect humanity, or will it slow down innovations? Some creators and startups fear that heavy regulations could hurt smaller AI companies, while giant corporations become even more powerful. At the same time, many parents and teachers are becoming increasingly worried about AI impact on society. Students are already using AI tools in schools for assignments and exams. Fake AI videos and clone voices are spreading rapidly across the internet. And that is why AI regulations is no longer just an American issue. It has become a global issue. Europe is already working on AI laws. China is increasing control over its AI systems, and now America does not want to fall behind. But the biggest question still remains, will humans control AI in the future? Or will AI reshape the human world itself? What do you think? Is AI regulations necessary, or could it slow down innovations? Comment your opinion below.